Port Kembla and BlueScope, this is a great initiative on BlueScope's behalf, a sensible approach to building a supply chain when we need it most.
This particular investment by BlueScope will generate around 300 jobs in our region. So this is a great example of where renewable sources of energy and power, also looking to the future, is not only great for our environment but also great for jobs in this region as well.
BlueScope has for decades set new standards when it comes to producing high quality steel. They use 97% recycled water as processed water. They've got a solar farm in Finley which provides the energy that they use. They use tonnes and tonnes of recycled steel.
This particular company has a huge role to play, not just in our past but also in our future, and today's announcement is an example of BlueScope investing in the future of steel.
It's not only the need to produce the steel, but it's also a need to make sure we've got fabricators ready to build the wind turbine and other things of the future that will power our economy.
Investing in the future of manufacturing and infrastructure.
And we start to replace those 100% of imports with 100% of local content. So congratulations BlueScope on starting us well down that path.